Hi there, it's Tim from Dodge Grand Caravan, and today we're going to be replacing a tail light assembly. Now these things are LED, so when the LEDs burn out, but I'm actually changing it for safety. As you see, it is broken. Now these assembly units are fairly easy to replace. They just got a couple of 10 mils, and then you can pull the unit out of the vehicle body. Okay, so I'm just using a snap-on screwdriver, electric screwdriver, with a 10 mil socket. There we go. Next we can just pull this unit out of the vehicle body. We have the connector right here. Note it has a red locking tab, so you want to open that tab, otherwise you'll end up breaking connector if you force it, and then you can depress and then unplug the tail light. Installation of your new tail lamp is the same as the disassembly procedure. Insert your plastic connector until you hear a click. So you've got to make sure that it's nice and secure so it doesn't fall out. Depress the red locking tab on the inside of your connector, and then reinstall the assembly to the vehicle. And then the last step of the procedure is to reinstall the 10 mil bolts. There we go, and the assembly has been completed. So thanks everyone for watching another episode of the Dad Van Project. If you like my content, I would greatly appreciate if you like, comment and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.